Oh my goodness, great to see you again. Hey, this is my son, Cooper.
And this is my dad, CJ the CPA.
And we're going to talk about how to make change. So how do you make change? Like, what does that even mean? Well, let's first talk about why you should be getting change. So, Cooper, I'm going to buy something from you, and I'm going to give you $1. But it costs more than what I'm buying, or I'm giving you more money than what I'm buying. So if I give you this $1 and it costs 75 cents, how much money are you going to give me back?
I would give you 25 cents back.
So you would give me a quarter back. Why would you do that?
Because you paid more than the price of the item.
Yeah. So if I go into a store and I say, I would like that pack of gum, and the pack of gum is 75 cents, and I go, well, I don't have 75 cents. I don't have 3/4. Well, I'm going to hand you $1 for that pack of gum. But it only costs 75 cents. So why are you giving me a quarter back?
Because that is the money that you could say overspent. So 75 cents and $1. So $1 is 25 cents more than 75 cents.
Nice. I love that. So the reason that you want to make sure you get your change back is that if you gave somebody more money than what something cost, then they owe you change. So how do you make change? So the way to look at this is that if I give somebody $1 and I get a pack of gum back and a quarter, in essence, I have $1 in my hand. Now, what did that even mean? Well, the pack of gum is worth 75 cents, and I got my quarter back. So a 75-cent pack of gum plus a quarter of 25 cents equals $1. So how do you make change? What did you give that person? How much money did you give them? And was it more than what something cost? Yes? Then you need to make sure you not only get what you bought, but get the difference back as well. Now, we have all kinds of ways that we could show you examples, but you know what would be more fun? Is if you were to ask the person that you're watching this video with, or an adult that is in your household, to help you make change. So you might just ask for $1 and some quarters and nickels and dimes and pennies, and you try and make change at home. All right, so guess what? We are getting ready to finish up with our last episode in this series, and it's going to be about what would you do with $1? What would you do with $1? If you were to get $1, what would you do with it?